Imagine a world where your words can instantly transform into captivating videos. That's the promise of Sora AI, OpenAI's groundbreaking text-to-video generation tool. This revolutionary technology has the potential to redefine storytelling, education, and creative expression, empowering anyone with a vision to bring their ideas to life on screen. Sora AI works by harnessing the power of diffusion models, a type of artificial intelligence that can generate intricate images from simple text descriptions. With Sora AI, you simply input a text prompt describing the scene you envision, and the AI model works its magic, producing a high-quality video that matches your description. Whether it's a serene forest landscape, a bustling cityscape, or an abstract animation, Sora AI can generate a wide range of visually stunning videos in a matter of minutes. The possibilities are endless. Filmmakers could use Sora AI to quickly generate storyboards, concept art, or even entire scenes, saving time and resources during pre-production. Educators could create engaging educational videos to explain complex topics, making learning more accessible and interactive. Businesses could leverage Sora AI to create eye-catching marketing videos and product demonstrations, reaching wider audiences with ease. And individuals could use Sora AI to unleash their creativity, creating personalized videos for social media or special occasions. OpenAI is deeply committed to developing AI responsibly and ethically. To ensure the safe and responsible use of Sora AI, the organization is currently conducting extensive testing with a limited group of users, including cybersecurity experts and content creators. These experts are helping OpenAI identify and mitigate potential risks, such as the creation of deepfakes or the spread of misinformation. OpenAI is also actively engaging with policymakers, educators, and artists to gather feedback and address concerns about the ethical implications of this powerful technology. By fostering open dialogue and collaboration, OpenAI hopes to ensure that Sora AI is used in a way that benefits society as a whole. While the official release date for Sora AI is yet to be announced, OpenAI is focused on implementing robust safety measures before making it widely available. The organization is also exploring potential pricing models with the possibility of both free and paid tiers, similar to ChatGPT. Stay tuned to OpenAI's social media channels and blog for the latest updates on Sora AI. This is just the beginning of a new era in video creation, and we can't wait to see the incredible stories you'll bring to life with Sora AI. All of these videos are generated by a text-to-video model and not an image-to-video model. The quality of these videos is very high. With this tool, you can create eye-catching visuals and breathe life into videos. Content creators, designers, and AI enthusiasts will find it valuable. It is a powerful and versatile AI video generator that is available for free. It allows users to create animated videos with ease. All of these videos have been created